wait. Go.
Dude, what are you doing?
Better than me.
What are you doing? I don't know. He's like speaking ancient. What? Stop speaking. I can't tell if he's choking or. Is he choking?